low country boil is like my family's fluent version of comfort food.
Is that right?
Yeah, and so our theme is endless summer.
Yeah.
And it was one of the hottest summers on record, so we wanted to, you know, really bring out the food as long as we could.
Yeah.
Lisa Lesort.
Hi, Mary.
Hi.
How
It's
are
so
ya?
good to see you. When we see Lisa Lesort, we know that Temp-tations is in the house because she is the VP of Merchandising and Broadcasting for the Temp-tations team. And we are also celebrating this month the 31 days of Temp-tations. And so when it comes to, that's all right, that's how good it is. We just like to wear it sometimes. You okay, boo? Okay. But when it comes to celebrating the 31 days of Temp-tations, we have a little something special every single day, not only on our website, but you can find more than 30 brand new items right now from Temp-tations. But we have 3 of our favorites of all time in the show today. This is a clearance price on 3 platters?
Platters, and we're coming into the fall for platters. It's the perfect time. We don't have another trio like this, so this is just amazing. It's going to start with that largest, the 18-inch platter there. Mary, we have seasonal colors too, because this is Ocean Fetty. I want to show you how we do that reservoir right there. So if you have turkeys or pastas with those juices and gravies, that's perfect. You can even put your low country boil on here.
Yes,
I
you
think.
could. Yeah. Oh, yes,
Right?
ma'am.
Oh, yes, ma'am. But look at the detail with the scalloping. This isn't just any platter. This is Temp-tations. Hand painted, oven safe to 500 degrees. The gorgeous rope border on the Old World, the beading on the floral lace. This is just one of them.
Yeah.
Here's the 18-inch. Then we're just going to go down 2 inches to the 16-inch. But again, this is going to be more like your everyday platter. And then the 14-inch, which I love. I call this my dinner serving platter for veggies and chicken and things like that.
Yeah.
They all mess together when you want to tuck them away. This is the Old World Ocean Fetty.
And these are fluted platters too, so
Fluted.
you're not going to find something like this in the store. But they're $39.98 on a clearance price for all 3. You get all 3 of the platters, and they're on 5 easy payments of $8.
Wow.
5 easy payments on everything, don't forget. And we still have color options.
We still do. So again, this is the Old World Ocean Fetty, all that gorgeous hand painting. Next door to that is going to the floral lace light blue with that beautiful beading all around the outside. And look at that gorgeous saturation of color. Over here we have our red choices. So here's the Old World red. Then we have the floral lace red. So Mary, if you love to bake for the holidays, you could break this apart into 3 gifts, put your favorite cookies on here, wrap them in cellophane, and it's a great gift.
Love that.
Then we have the cranberry. That's going to be your warmer red tone. Here are your cranberry choices. Like if you need a wedding gift, a shower gift, I think the black is perfect.
Yeah.
Here's the Old World. Here's the floral lace.
And that's perfect too if you don't know what their color scheme is.
Exactly.
Such a good idea.
How about the greens, where it all started 17 years ago? Wow. Then we have the eggplant, which I think is perfect for the fall. Again, here's your Old World, and then there's that beautiful saturation of color in the floral lace. Okay, Mare, spice.
I get a little shrieky about the spice, but it really is the perfect time of year to start collecting spice.
It sure is. And what I love showing them next to each other, remember, we're a family of colors, so the Pantones will mix and match easily for you. And then we have our most neutral color right here in the brown.
Now, the beauty of Temp-tations is that maybe you have a platter already. It's seen some years.
Sure.
But this one can come straight from the oven. You can tuck it right into the dishwasher.
Yes.
And I just want to show you again, while Lisa goes to the oven, I want to show you, you're actually getting all 3. You get the small, you get the medium, and you get the large. So you never have to use them over and over again. If you want to use this one and then leave it on the table. You want to use this one, leave it on the table. I have 1 platter in my house before I met Temp-tations. I was like, what am I doing?
Right.
Now I have multiple, so I don't have to keep washing and reusing that same one.
That's exactly right. But here's the thing. You don't know you need a platter. You just kind of said it until you need it.
Yeah.
And then it's like, wait, what am I
So
going to put
true.
those steaks on? What am I going to put the turkey on?
I'm sorry.
Oh.
The crab cakes and this runner.
Brand new linens. I know, and these are really limited. We have a runner, we have 4 placemats, and we have 4 napkins. Just
That
saying.
matches my harvest. That matches my cranberry. Oh my gosh.
Right?
Old World green, everything. Okay, sorry, I got
Love,
distracted.
that's okay.
It happens.
The fact that a platter, to your point, this pretty, hand painting all the charm, can go in the oven up to 500 degrees.
Yes.
You can then pop it in the microwave. The smaller one will fit.
Yes.
You can clean it in the dishwasher. When you think about, you take a utilitarian piece that we all need, and you make it beautiful and affordable.
I know.
Wow, right?
I mean, and it matches your dishes because if
Yeah.
you're already a Temptations collector, it looks beautiful. But I wanted you to see the substantial size of it. Yes, Temptations is hand painted. And when I say we're celebrating 31 days of Temptations, in the month of August, we're celebrating this brand that has made our tabletops a destination again.
Thank you.
Because so often we kind of just throw it on the table because we spend all the time on the food, right? This is how you make it gorgeous, but don't be fooled by how beautiful it is. This is a workhorse of a brand.
It sure is. And when you think that stoneware naturally keeps cold, so this great antipasti platter is going to stay nice and cold. But think about it, also keeps hot. So when you put your Thanksgiving turkey on there, it's actually going to show the front ledge.
Absolutely.
Because I know you're going to absolutely love it.
And just to show everybody, look at the centerpiece here in the front, because when it comes to decorating for the seasons, I mean, I love this.
Isn't
A
that
little
gorgeous?
tray for everybody, little luminara in the middle. This is so easy. We can do this. I'm not Martha Stewart,
Absolutely.
but I aspire to be.
And we all do.
Yes.
And the fact that you have now baking pieces that can actually go into the oven, but yet centertaining. That's what we talk about Temptations. The fact that your table is the runway for all your memories and great times with family.
Totally. Now, I want to make sure that we get a chance to show you all of the colors and options again. So I'm going to cruise over here with you.
You
and we're just
are?
going to take a look. I'm using my microphone with Lisa, so forgive me. I'm creeping up on her shoulders.
We just have
but
to be
that's
kind of
not
close
weird
right
behavior
now.
for me. What are the sizes
So
of the platters?
you get 3 separate sizes. You get that 18-inch. By the way, we sell 18-inch platters alone. This price is amazing.
Yeah, it really
So you have
is.
the 18-inch, you have the 16-inch, and you have the 14-inch. You have everything from everyday to holiday. By the way, they all nest together. They're fluted. They're hand painted. They're gorgeous.
And less than $40 on that clearance price. Remember, too, every item in the show is on 5 easy payments or more. I really think this is a beautiful color to mix in with your existing Temptations, this first one.
I love that. Like, look right here. So here's the Ocean Fetty. Here's the Floral Lace Light
Yes.
Blue. That Ocean Fetty, those sea
Oh,
glass colors.
Ocean Fetty is sold out.
Oh.
Terribly sorry.
Got
Okay.
it. Well, everybody understands the value of this,
Yeah,
right?
absolutely.
David calls us Carolina Blue.
Yes, he does.
He does, doesn't he? So, do you want to do colors?
Sure.
Absolutely.
So red and Old World, red and Floral Lace, cranberry Old World, cranberry, 3 dozen in the cranberry Old World, and then we have cranberry Floral Lace. Now here we have black in both Old World and Floral Lace. We have green in Old World and Floral Lace, eggplant, Old World and Floral Lace. Here's the spice in Old World and Floral Lace, and then we have Old World Brown and the Floral Lace Chocolate. Again, 3 platters that you're not going to use just once. You're going to use them year after year after year. And 5 easy payments, not just on this Temptations item, but the other 2 in the show too. One of them actually has 6 easy payments.
We're
so
special.
more to come. I love you. It's so good to see you. Lisa will be back with us. We have lots